Hi, I'm Mark from At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the Kasa Wi-Fi power strip with 6 outlets and 3 USB ports. So let's take a look. Okay, and I like it because it's Wi-Fi, which means it also works with Alexa. So, looks pretty cool. Look at that, 6 outlets, buttons on each one. Well, let's see what it looks like inside. Whoa, they got this thing sealed on me here. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's see. Well, looks pretty good. So I like this unit because it's got a button for each of the power outlets, so you can manually control them. Or, of course, you can ask Alexa or use the Kasa app to control the strip. And it's got 3 2.4 amp USB-A outlet, plugs here. Now, keep in mind, I believe it's 2.4 total. So if you have 3 things plugged in, it still won't go over 2.4 total of all 3. But they are 2.4. Has an on-off switch, which is kind of nice. And it mounts in the back if you want to mount it somewhere. They got a couple spots for it. And then you've got a pretty good cord. Okay, so it's that long. Can we see it in the whole picture? Let's see if it all shows up in here or not, right? So a nice long cord, pretty heavy duty. Should get a pretty good distance out of it. And it seems to be, it's plastic, but it seems to be pretty well built. So I'm looking forward to it. I need it for the studio, for example, so we can control all the things that are in here. And I'll go get it set up and try it out. But that's it. That's the 6 outlet Kasa Wi-Fi enabled power strip. Thank you.